Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this video, we are going to solve numerical number 2 for operational amplifier circuit. I have already solved one numerical of operational amplifier circuit. You can check it in the description box. So today's numerical is for the given circuit shown with input resistance Ri is equal to infinite. We have to show that the output admittance with feedback YOF, which is equal to 1 upon ROF, is equal to 1 upon RO whole multiplied by 1 minus AVR divided by R plus R dash plus 1 upon R plus R dash. This we have to prove from the circuit diagram shown. So for the solution, since already given that input resistance of the operational amplifier is equal to infinite, so that means here the input resistance will exist. So input resistance infinite means it will act as open circuit, and we know that in the open circuit the current will be equal to 0. So the input current In will equal to 0, which flows through the input resistance. So since Ri is infinite, this is an ideal operational amplifier. So in the ideal operational amplifier, the input current is also equal to, input current will also be equal to 0 since Ri is equal to infinite. Now in the ideal operational amplifier, we know that the voltage at the non-inverting terminal, if the voltage at the non-inverting terminal is grounded, then the voltage at the inverting terminal will be virtually grounded. So let us say the voltage at the non-inverting terminal is V plus and the voltage at the inverting terminal is V minus here. So by virtual ground concept, V plus is equal to V minus is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the output resistance with feedback, which will be in the output side looking into the output terminals. Here it will be ROF. So this circuit diagram can be drawn with the help of equivalent circuit of the operational amplifier. So this operational amplifier is replaced by its equivalent circuit. So this is the circuit diagram, resultant circuit diagram. So we know that in the output side for the equivalent circuit of the operational amplifier, RO will exist, that is output resistance, and dependent voltage source, that is AVVI will exist, and this VI is the input differential voltage to the operational amplifier. Since input resistance is infinite here, so we have replaced it by open circuit here. So this is the virtual ground point. So here the input current will be equal to 0. So since it is an open circuit, now we have to find out the output resistance with feedback, that is ROF, and we know that ROF is equal to output voltage upon output current. So for finding out the ROF, we have applied a voltage V here, and due to this voltage V, one current is flowing, that is I. Now when we want to find out the output resistance with feedback, we have to keep the source voltage is equal to 0. So we have grounded this source voltage. So the ROF will be equal to V upon I at Vs is equal to 0. Now this current I, that is output current, is divided into two branches at node X, that is resistance, output resistance RO branch and R dash branch. So the current flowing through the RO is IO and the current flowing through the R dash is I dash here. So by KCL at node X, we will get I is equal to I dash plus IO. This is equation number 1. Now first we have to find out I dash, then we have to find out IO for finding the total output current. So I dash from the circuit diagram equal to, see here I dash is flowing through resistance R dash, but here the input current to the operational amplifier is In is equal to 0. So this, the current which is flowing through R dash will also flow through the resistance R, because here at the node point A there is no divide of current will be there. So the I dash current will be equal to V minus 0 divided by R plus R dash. So here you can see that the node X, the voltage will be V. So that's why we are taking V, and here the voltage is 0. So we are taking 0. V minus 0 divided by R dash plus R, or R plus R dash. So this is the equation number 2. Now we have to find out the output current. The current through the resistance RO. So by KVL, we have to apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in the output loop. So the current flowing direction is in this direction. So we have to apply the KVL in this direction in the output loop. So by KVL we get V minus IO into RO minus AVVI is equal to 0 we will get. From this equation we find out output, the current through the resistance RO, IO is equal to V minus AVVI divided by RO. This is the equation we are getting. So let us this equation be equation number 3. Now we have to find out VI from the circuit diagram. VI from the circuit diagram. So here we are seeing that the VI is coming across the resistance R, because this point is already grounded. So that's why the VI will come across resistance R. So VI will be equal to I dash, current through the resistance R, that is I dash into R. Current through the resistance R into that resistance. So VI will be I dash into R. Now we keep the value of I dash in this equation, we get V into R divided by R plus R dash. So this is the equation we are getting. So put this equation in equation number 3. Put in equation number 3. So we have to put in the equation number 3. Now we have found out IO is equal to V minus AVVI divided by RO. Now this equation will be equal to V by RO minus AVVI divided by RO. Now in this equation we put VI's value. So IO is equal to V minus RO minus AV into VI is equal to V into R. V into R divided by RO into R plus R dash. This we are getting. Now from this equation we take out RO common. So we get RO and V also we can take common. So we get 1 minus AV into R divided by R plus R dash. This is the equation we are getting for IO. So let this be equation number 4. Now we put equation number 2 and equation number 4 in equation number 1. What was equation number 1? I is equal to IO plus I dash. So IO was, what is the IO? V upon R0 multiplied by 1 minus AVR divided by R plus R dash. This was the equation for IO, plus I dash is V upon R plus R dash. So this is the I equation. Now we take common V from the whole equation. So we get I upon V is equal to 1 upon R0 RO into 1 minus AVR divided by R plus R dash plus 1 upon R plus R dash. So this is the final equation which we have to find out. So I upon V means it is the admittance value. So this is the output admittance with feedback YOF which we have to find out. So hence we have proved the equation from the circuit diagram given. So hope friends you have understood the numerical. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.